I shouldn't tell you this, but fuck it. SPX is coiling between two gamma walls. The bear signal is still on. NFP on Friday could be a trigger for further movement. Is the setup. So the SPX income system and the Tag N Turn software, which you can see on screen, is rule-based and it does the majority of the heavy lift. The big picture over on the daily chart is we still have this expanding triangle, and ultimately we're at the upper boundary. We're going to be bullish outside and bearish inside, and that is where we're at. We're just really dithering right now with, are we going to see a continuation or are we going to see that reversal? Over on the 30-minute charts, we can see the Bollinger Bands starting to compress. The distance between them is what we're looking at, the Bollinger Band width. And this is usually indicative of the start of what could be a consolidation. So this bear move that we're currently seeing right now may just need to pause before we see it unfold, and obviously that can ultimately lead to a continuation. Equally, we can't discount that possibility, but the software is for the moment in a bearish posture, so we've got to lead with that as the primary scenario. Now let's layer in the GEX, the gamma exposure levels. What we can see on the chart is 7200 and 7300 as the major anchor points. Bears below 7200 will have will be in charge. We can see price be bullish up to, well, to be fair, the 7250 level, which is one of the minor gamma exposure points. Will we see price push up to 7300? Anyone's guess. Anything can happen in these markets, but it seems like the market meandering sideways with no major news until Friday. We'll probably see price gap hit, gap up, and trade lower back into that 7200 for at least today. There's a full breakdown inside my anti-investor community every morning before the market opens. The link's in the description. I shouldn't have told you any of this, but you're welcome.